Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch off-road aluminum wheels, power folding multifunctional mirrors, neutral gray roof rack, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 37,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, a power sunroof, a power liftgate, all powered by a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3326A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.